When it comes to teenage drinking in Fairfax County, do you know the facts?
All teenagers drink alcohol.
While alcohol is the most commonly used substance by Fairfax County teens, not all teens drink alcohol. Alcohol use increases dramatically as kids get older. By 12th grade, 43% say they drank alcohol in the past 30 days.
But it's okay for teens to drink as long as they don't drink and drive, as long as they're safe.
Drinking often goes hand in hand with other risky behaviors. Teens who drank alcohol in the past 30 days were more likely to have been depressed or considered suicide, to have had sex or been a victim of sexual assault, or to have carried a weapon. Adolescents are more vulnerable than adults to the effects of alcohol due to their developing brains. It affects their learning and memory and leads to more risk-taking. When teens are drinking, even if they're not driving, they're more likely to find themselves in unsafe situations.
I know teens are going to drink no matter what I say or do.
Wrong. What you think and do does matter to your teen. Don't believe it? Here's what teens are saying.
Teens in Fairfax County like me were asked, how wrong do your parents feel it would be for you to drink alcohol?
86% of those whose parents thought it was very wrong did not drink alcohol in the past 30 days.
The more relaxed teens think their parents are about teens drinking, the more likely teens were to drink.
Of those who said their parents thought it was not wrong at all, 66%, or 2 out of 3, said they did drink in the past 30 days.
The bottom line is, what you think matters. Almost all teens whose parents think it is very wrong for them to drink alcohol don't.
You can do a lot to discourage drinking and help keep your teen safe and in control. To start, you can make it perfectly clear that underage drinking is very wrong, and being out of control can put them in many unsafe situations. You can also help your teen by helping them
be successful in school,
giving them a voice in family decisions that affect them,
acknowledging when they do a good job,
helping them be involved in activities in and out of school,
and encouraging them to volunteer in their community.
The more teens feel they are an active part of their family, school, and community, the less likely they are to drink or engage in other risky behavior. Finally, be a good role model. It's not just what you think, but what you do. For more information, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/youth survey.